Good afternoon, students. You are all welcome to Science Vision. It's our activity time. So today we will make a paper hut. So it is basically idea of this lecture is to make best out of waste. So you can use any paper, waste paper for making hut. So we will see how to make a paper hut. So let's start. So students, for this activity we require a piece of paper in a square shape, and you can use colored paper or plain paper you can use. So if you don't have this piece of paper in square shape, then you can take simple paper, any shape, rectangle. Every piece of paper is a rectangle in shape. So what you can do, you can fold this paper in this manner to join this corner, make a triangle. So you can see it become a triangular shape. Clear, students? So students, this triangle shape, then you can see here is a triangle and here is a rectangular part of the piece of paper, and you can cut this part with the help of scale or any means, with the help of scissor also. Precisely you have to like this. Now this is the rectangle part which is separated. Don't throw it out. We will make one thing more with this piece of paper. So firstly we will make hut. So now you got a square shape paper like this. It is small in size and it is big in size. Okay, students? Now fold this paper into equal halves like this. You can see here corner is not meet corner, so do it precisely to make a good hut. Okay, students, now open it. So you can see there is a middle line in between the piece of paper. So fold the one half of up to the line like this. Up to this line you have to fold, and so you can see now there is a one more line. Okay, students, and now with the other side also do a same thing. So now you can see while open you have three lines onto the piece of paper. Now hold it like this and fold in a different manner. Firstly we have folded in this half. Now we will fold this now in this half. Clear, students? It is very easy method. So now you can see here is a one middle line between the piece of paper. So do the same thing. Now fold this half part to this middle line, and similarly do with this part. So students, after doing this, if you open, now you can see there are small squares, and from the colored part it is can be clearly seen there are how many squares? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So there are 16 squares like chess board. So students, now we have 16 squares, and choose any two edges, one this side and one this side, opposite to each other. You can choose any to this or any to this. So I select this now, and with the help of scissor cut this first line. There you can see there is a line. This is the line. So you have to cut this. only up to the first corner. So this is the first corner. Like same, like you can cut this in a similar way. And like this. Clear, students? So see this clearly, don't make a mistake. And similarly, now flip it and do it in a similar way on to the opposite side. Clear, students? Now see this, see what we have got. So this is the structure we have got. There are 3 cuts here and 3 cuts here. And what is the specialty about these cuts? That these two are the squares and they can put on together. So this can cover this square. Clear, students? No, because both are square, both are similar figures. So you can learn the concept of similarity. So both the squares are both are squares of same side. So they are similar and can cover each other. Clear, students? So we have to now cover each other and paste it. So apply some gum here and paste it over the second square. Clear, students? So I will show you how to do it. So you can use gum or Fevicol, anything for this. So now with the help of gum on the one face, so now cover it with the second scale. So you got this. Clear, students? So now you can see it is very beautiful figure is forming. So do it the same thing on to the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. And cover it with the other square, and you will got this. Now you can see our triangle is forming. So we are close to our destination. Now take this one side and apply some gum here on this side. You can staple also that, but gum is preferable. And you can see like this. Clear, students? And now with the other thing you can place here like this. So you can see our triangle is now completing. So place a gum here also. Place it. So students, after doing the same thing on the opposite side, you will get this, and it is very beautiful hut, you can see, and you can make with the simple paper. So you can do your creativity on this. You can color this, you can make a window, make a gate on this hut. And if you want a big hut, then this is the hut made by the plain paper. So you can with the plain paper you can color any color on it. You can write your name also. You can name this house, and this is our. So clear, students? So in this way, in a simple way, you can make your hut. So students, as I have told you, we will make another thing with this piece of paper, and that is clapping paper. So we will see this how to make this clapping paper. It is also looking like flapping bird when the bird flies. So we will learn how to make it. So students, take a rectangular strip of 5 cm or 5.5 cm width and cut the extra part. So you will get a rectangular strip, and then fold this rectangular strip into half. Join the corners. And divide into equal halves. So you can see there is again a line in between the paper, and then fold this into such like it become triangle up to the midline. Clear, students? And on the other half you have to do the same thing. So you get this type of structure. So do the similar thing on this half. Make a triangle. And here also make the triangle. And then again fold this half into another half up to the line, so it make a small triangle. जैसे हम एरोप्लेन बनाते हैं बस वैसे ही करना है. And then again do the same thing on the other half. Clear, students? And do the same thing on this side. And then fold it like this. So you get a figure like this. Now again fold it into half and make a very clear line, so you can see in the opposite side also. And then make a U shape such that this length is equal to this corner become onto the same level. And then there is a U shape, and you see this by making with the help of finger, just hold it like this. Now you can see in between there is a hump, and if you now apply a force, slightly a force, you can see there is a clapping paper because there is a hump in between, so that's why it works like this. Clear students, it is very easy to make and very interesting to see. So don't throw the papers, make use of the waste. So you can see it is very beautiful. So bring creativity in yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and thanks for watching.